In the heart of the city's hustle and bustle, a new trend in urban living is rising: small and medium-sized apartments with lofts. These innovative dwellings are not just a testament to modern architectural ingenuity, but also a reflection of the contemporary urbanist's desire for style and functionality. Watch this newly uploaded video and explore the clever design and stylish decor in chic small and medium-sized apartments with lofts. From space-saving furniture to trendy color schemes, this video showcases how to maximize living space without compromising on style. Get inspired by the modern and functional layouts that make the most of every square foot in these urban living spaces. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think, so please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour, ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you several tips and tricks for creating a contemporary modern style in your own living space. So without further ado, let's get into it. Loft style apartments have become synonymous with chic urban living. They offer a unique blend of openness and division by incorporating an indoor staircase leading to a lofted bedroom area. This design maximizes the available space, allowing for a living area that feels both expansive and intimate. The loft bedroom is the crown jewel of these apartments. It should be a sanctuary with soft lighting and plush textiles. Low-profile bed frames and underbed storage can keep the area clutter-free, ensuring a peaceful and restful ambience. When it comes to furnishing these compact gems, the key is multifunctionality. Furniture that doubles as storage, such as beds with built-in drawers or ottomans that open up to reveal hidden compartments, are essential. The decor should be minimalist, yet bold. Think statement pieces that draw the eye without cluttering the space. The move toward smaller, more efficient living spaces reflects a broader shift in urban residential properties. There is an increasing emphasis on sustainable living and community integration. Shared amenities like rooftop gardens and communal lounges encourage interaction and foster a sense of community among residents. In conclusion, small and medium-sized apartments with lofts are more than just a place to live. They are a lifestyle choice. They represent the modern urban its answer to living large in a small space, providing that when it comes to contemporary living, less really can be more. As we've seen today, chic, small and medium-sized apartments with lofts are not just a trend, they are a testament to the ingenuity of modern urban living. These spaces challenge us to think vertically, live minimally, and embrace the beauty of functionality. Ready to transform your space? Subscribe for more inspiration. Whether you are a seasoned city dweller or just starting your urban adventure, remember that every square inch is an opportunity to create something beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of loft living. Until next time, keep dreaming big, no matter how small your space may be. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.